Set of 4 different intricately patterned pastry or cookie stampers emboss a beautiful design on pastry, cookie dough, pie crust or even craft clay. Each stamp is approximately 2 and has an easy-to-use plunger handle. Dough releases easily from cutter, and shapes hold well during baking. To transfer delicate shapes to baking sheet, roll out and cut on parchment, then transfer the parchment to the baking sheet. To maximize the life of your cookie cutters, we recommend hand washing and wiping dry after each use. R&M has a variety of cookie cutters for every occasion. We look forward to being part of your baking and celebrations. Have even more fun making your favorite cookies for holidays, parties and other special occasions with these cookie stampers from R&M International. Cookie stamp measurements are given either horizontally or vertically, whichever is greater. All measurements are nominal and intended as a reference guide only. Plastic cookie stamps should be hand-washed in warm soapy water and towel-dried. Do not put in the dishwasher. R&M International is a worldwide supplier of high-quality cookie cutters, numerous kitchen gadgets, and affordable cooking and baking products. Since 1993, we have shared recipes, tips, and other resources to help people make long-lasting memories in the kitchen. More than baking, memory making. Top reviews from the United States. Artistic and fun to use. This product turned my Thanksgiving pumpkin pie from a run-of-the-mill homemade pie into a work of art. They were fun and easy to use, and a breeze to clean. I made a double crust recipe, so I could use half of the dough for the pie crust and the other half for the leaves. I just rolled out the pie crust, dipped the cutter into flour, pushed the spring-loaded button, and voila! I brushed the back of the leaves with beaten egg white, to make sure the leaves would stick to the edge of the pie crust. I covered the edge of the crust with aluminum foil strips until the last 20 minutes of baking, because I didn't want my leaves to burn. I love these so much. I also purchased the snowflakes. Super fun product, and I highly recommend it. Happy baking!